Hello class and welcome to week 2 of English 101 online. If you're looking at the calendar, and I suggest that you do in Blackboard, you will see that for this week in English 101 online, you'll begin working on the health module. Specifically, for tomorrow, on Monday, you'll be working on the Lumen practice activity, and for the remainder of the week, you'll be working out of the health module, working on the readings, the discussion board posts, and some more Lumen activities, but you'll be working out of the health module for this week in English 101. For the health module, you'll be doing a couple of readings. Let's go to the readings. You'll be reading about food, the food industry, the food processing industry. You'll be learning about where food comes from and how, in some cases, consumers may be deceived by the food processing companies and what kinds of policies might be in place to help protect consumers when it comes to food and their health. So some of the readings in the health modules are how our national food policy could save millions of lives, dirty secrets of the food processing industry, and later in the modules you'll see some other readings as well. When you choose a quote for the Lumen activity for tomorrow, please choose it from the readings that you will do for the health module. So you may choose a quote from how our national food policy could save millions of lives, or dirty secrets of the food processing industry, or some of the other articles that you will read later in the week about hormones or organic foods. When you go to do the assignment in Lumen, of course, Lumen is found on the left-hand navigation bar of Blackboard. You will focus on two of the readings. One will be citing, paraphrases, and summaries that you'll be working on, and another will be formatting the works cited page in Lumen. And once you've done reading the Lumen activities and the articles for the module, you'll be working out of the discussion board for the Lumen citing sources practice. So you're going to be identifying one quotation from each of the texts, so you should choose two texts, two readings. You'll be integrating a quote into the sentence, and you'll be including MLA-style in-text citation in parentheses. So those are some practice activities that I'd like you to work on. Later in the week, you'll be working on the Health Week 1A discussion board post, and that will be released. Right now it's closed, but it will be released. And you'll also be working on the Health Week 1B discussion board post, as well as the peer responses as well. So I have graded your essay, your tech essay. Please take a look at your essay in My Grades and open the link to the graded assignment to kind of look at my notes to you. And if you have any questions, feel free to email me. Thank you so much.